Budapest, guys. This city, it's a captivating blend of history, culture, and, get this, affordability. Split by the majestic Danube River, Budapest offers a stunning backdrop for exploration. The city pulsates with a youthful energy, evident in its ruin bars, vibrant street art, and bustling markets. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie fanatic, or simply seeking an adventure, Budapest has something for everyone. And the best part? You don't need to break the bank to experience its magic. Get ready to be enchanted by Budapest's charm without emptying your wallet. Pack those comfy shoes and get ready to wander through the city's captivating streets. From the grandeur of Buda Castle to the vibrant energy of its ruin bars, Budapest promises an unforgettable experience without the hefty price tag. So, are you ready to discover the magic of Budapest? Let's dive in. First things first, Budapest is home to some seriously impressive sights. And guess what? Many of them won't cost you a dime. Start your adventure by strolling across the iconic chain bridge, connecting Buda and Pest. The views from here, especially at sunset, are absolutely breathtaking. Next, head up to Buda Castle Hill, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Explore the historic castle, the beautiful Matthias Church, and enjoy panoramic views of the city. For a truly unique experience, visit the hospital in the Rock Museum, a fascinating underground labyrinth that served as a hospital and nuclear bunker during World War II. No trip to Budapest is complete without a visit to the Hungarian Parliament building. This architectural masterpiece is even more impressive when illuminated at night. For a dose of culture, catch a performance at the Hungarian State Opera House, known for its stunning acoustics and opulent interiors. Trust me, you'll be amazed by the beauty and history that surrounds you in Budapest. Now let's uncover some of Budapest's best-kept secrets. Venture off the beaten path and explore the city's vibrant Jewish quarter, known for its eclectic mix of street art, trendy cafes, and historic synagogues. Get lost in the labyrinthine streets and discover hidden courtyards, bustling markets, and charming local shops. For a taste of local life, head to the Great Market Hall, a bustling indoor market where you can sample traditional Hungarian delicacies, find unique souvenirs, and soak up the vibrant atmosphere. Take a relaxing stroll along Margaret Island, a green oasis in the heart of the city, perfect for a picnic, bike ride, or simply enjoying the tranquility. Don't miss out on the city's many free walking tours, a fantastic way to discover hidden gems and learn about Budapest's rich history and culture from a local perspective. Keep your eyes peeled for street art, architectural details, and quirky local businesses that make Budapest so unique. Budapest is a foodie paradise, and the good news is you can indulge in delicious Hungarian cuisine without emptying your wallet. For a truly authentic experience, head to one of the city's many street food markets. Sample local specialties like langos, a deep-fried flatbread topped with sour cream and cheese, or kurtoszkalaks, a chimney cake coated in sugar and cinnamon. For a hearty and affordable meal, seek out a kocsma, a traditional Hungarian pub where you can enjoy hearty stews, goulash, and other local favorites at local prices. Look for daily lunch specials or menus offered at many restaurants, which typically include a soup, main course, and drink at a discounted price. Don't forget to try some of Hungary's famous wines like Tokaji, a sweet dessert wine, or Egri Bikaver, a full-bodied red wine. For a refreshing treat, grab a scoop of ice cream from one of the many gelaterias scattered around the city. Remember to ask locals for their recommendations, as they often know the best hidden culinary gems. Getting around Budapest is easy and affordable, thanks to its efficient public transportation system. The city has an extensive network of buses, trams, and metro lines that can take you to all the major sites and attractions. Purchase a Budapest card for unlimited travel on public transport, as well as discounts on attractions and museums. Walking is also a fantastic way to explore the city, especially in the central areas. Budapest is a very walkable city, and you'll be rewarded with stunning views and unexpected discoveries along the way. Consider renting a bike for a fun and affordable way to cover more ground and explore the city at your own pace. For a unique experience, take a ride on the Budapest Cogwheel Railway, which climbs up to the Buda Hills, offering stunning views of the city. No matter your budget, you can easily get around Budapest and experience all that this vibrant city has to offer. If you loved this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more travel insights.